Today, we're playing an extreme game of hide and seek in the largest slime factory in the world. But this isn't just any game of hide and seek. Hannah, Christy, and Andrew are going to have 30 minutes to camouflage themselves throughout the warehouse. And the winners will get their own slime in the shop, and the losers will get punished. After that, I'll only have 20 minutes to go ahead and find them. All right, guys, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Let's go find a spot. Okay, I feel like I have plenty of time, and luckily I'm actually really small. I'm 5'2", so I feel like I could kind of fit anywhere. What if I hide in between all of these pallets? Everything's so pressed up against the wall. I thought there would be some space behind things, but I cannot hide between all of these things. Oh, there's Hannah. Where is she going?
Hannah can. She does everything that she can. I need to find a really good hiding spot. I'm pretty good at climbing. Ooh, Loki, I could climb up here. Okay, I'm not that good at climbing. I lied earlier. The problem is I'm really tall, so I can't fit into a lot of places. What if I jumped into a pile of the packing peanuts? I just think I'm too tall. It'll be so obvious.
What I'm thinking about doing here is I want to grab some balloons, and I'm going to blow up these balloons and then hide it under something so it looks like I'm hiding there. I'm going to pretend one of these hiding spots are under these couch cushions. 1, 2, and then put a balloon right there. Now it kind of looks like someone is laying under on that side. And we're gonna take this thing and we're gonna lay it across just like that. That looks convincing.
Okay, so while I am in Charmville, the 3 of them need to be hiding well because the punishment is very serious. You see, we're doing a great big purge of the slime graveyard right now, and a lot of the slimes are really gooey. Some of them we're getting rid of, and some of them we're saving. But those saved ones need to be reactivated. So the people who lose today are gonna have to reactivate all those slimes. And luckily for the winner, I was able to convince Andrew to give them their own shop slime. So whatever design they come up with is going to be sold in the shop.
Okay, I know where I want to go. Here are all of our lovely slimes. My plan is to create a little fortress around me. All right, I do think my head is probably sticking out a little bit. Like I said, I'm tall, so this is a little tricky, but if I lay down on the cold, hard cement, I'm hidden.
Wait a second. If I went in these charm boxes and then covered myself with a blanket, maybe that might work because they're clear. Let's go grab a blanket. This isn't a blanket, but this is a crab costume. Yeah, if I just look like a pile of cloth in the box, maybe that might work. Let's go back.
Now that we've got the booby trap set, now we have to find an actual spot. And I mean, you could always go like back here, kind of tucked behind the charms and like squeeze back there, or like maybe you could even move some of these charms and kind of get tucked in like back there. Okay, I gotta go a little fast, but I stashed a shirt in this Amazon box, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these brooms, we're gonna bring it over here, and we put it over the broom just like that. And then I'm thinking we tuck it back there. It's hard to see, but you kind of see like the edge of a shirt right there, but then you'll never know.
Let me think, do I know any bedtime stories I can tell myself? Once upon a time, there was a beautiful slime maker. I've only been down here a few minutes, but I think I'm starting to lose it. You know what I'm gonna do while I'm down here? I'm gonna steal a slime, because I'm bored. I found Pearl Diver in a basket. Ooh, look at this Pearl Diver slime. I bet wherever Andrew and Christy are, they don't have slime in their hiding spot.
This box is a little bit in plain sight. Let's go drag it somewhere a little bit more hidden. Right there. Oh, okay, you know what? I believe if you think small, you can be small. Can you just make it look a little bit more believable? Like I'm trying.
There we go. Now you'd have no idea.
Is the lid on? Is the lid on?
I'm gonna go and jump into here and I cover myself with the orders. Okay, but how do I get in this thing? I'm 5'11" and this box is like 5'9". I found a step stool. Okay. Oh, that's really sketchy.
1 minute left, and we're gonna go find them. We just have to wait for this to end. Come on, come on.
Hide and go seek with slime is literally the most underrated activity, because then when you freaking get your hiding spot, you're not so bored. You have slime to play with. Wow. This is awesome. Look at that. Premium slime.
Now this is what I'm talking about. Okay, I don't know if this will work, but we're gonna try. High risk, high reward. It's almost too obvious to hide in a box like this. That's why it's gonna work. Wait, I forgot about the ladder. Oh, hey, okay. Could you move this ladder for me so that it doesn't look like a hidden here? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, yes, yes. You're a lifesaver.
I've been trying to do mindfulness lately, but I keep forgetting to be mindful and in the present moment. Let me practice with my slime. Just smelling it, inhale. Exhale, smoosh the slime.
Okay, one last update. I hid along the side that had the entrance, so if he looks in, he'll see something more like this. I don't think he's gonna find me like this.
What is something that is closed? A solid wall. Oh, wait a second. I know. Speaking of solid, opaque places to hide, I've got an idea. Look at this beauty. Gorgeous. Stunning. I think I got a plan. I want to be able to see where Dan's going, and I kind of like having the freedom of being wherever, so we're gonna snip the bottom. Ladies and gentlemen, I am trash.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come!
Dan is on the hunt. I repeat, Dan is on the hunt.
Let's do this. We gotta go find them. Slime kitchen. I think that is going to be the best place to hide. There's so many nooks and crannies, so many slimes. See, I'm not in a rush, all right? We got 20 minutes, and I know this warehouse like the back of my hand. There's Bingsu, there's Sense, there's slime, but no people. Loading bay, no. Kitchen check. No one's in the kitchen. Where could someone be? Huh. Look at this. Lots of slimes. No people. I don't even know if I could get back there. It's like pretty deep. Let's cut across to where the product stuff is. Should we not mess with the product? Because that's the slimes that are getting sold to you guys right now.
What the dog doing?
So maybe I shouldn't go touch things in here. Maybe that's what they want us to think. Maybe they'll hide in the product and we won't see them because we'll think we can't touch these slimes, but we actually can. Like where would they even hide? You know? It's like, there's no space in here. Maybe like back here? No? Like there's nothing, they're just, where would you even hide? So this is a bad area. Well, we just did a lap and I haven't found a single person yet.
That was a close call.
Okay, we've got 4 minutes left until the halfway mark where I have a secret ultimate move where I can tell them that they need to switch their spots. And I didn't think I was gonna have to use it because, like I said, back of my hand, I know this warehouse, but there's only 4 minutes left. Let's check the break room, and if they're not there, then I might have to use it. I might have to break out the ultimate move.
I wonder if he found my my decoy. He must have. It was so obvious.
Hold on. These cushions are looking a little lumpy. Could there be someone underneath? Oh no. They put that there on purpose? Oh my, and the balloons? And they really bring their A game. They don't want to clean up those graveyard slimes. Well, where else could they be? Where else could they be? Behind all the peanuts, behind all the peanuts. Surely. Matt, I'm panicking. We're almost halfway through, I haven't found a single person. Where are they? Oh no. Where else? There's nowhere else to hide. Behind the door? That would have been good. Behind the door and they just walked out. Peachybbies content team, it is halftime, 10 minutes. You must change your hiding location now. I don't see anyone moving. They must be in the break room. They have to be. They have to be in the break room. You gotta change your spots, guys. You have to change your spots. I mean, I couldn't get back here, so there's gotta be. Are you stuck back here? Hey, hey, you gotta move. I thought, I mean, that back corner looks like they could be there. It's just stools. Oh, that means they could have moved out there without me seeing. I was really sure someone was in that corner.
Enemy spot.
I found one. Come on, let's go get him. I gotta tag him officially. I gotta get him. I gotta get him.
I gotta go. 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 I gotta go.
Wait, where'd he go? There he is. There he is. He's in Charmville. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Matt, wait, how did he get away again? Wait, he actually got away. Is he here? Is he in here? Is he not in here? Wait, where did he go? I could have sworn he ran back into Charmville.
I can't believe I just evaded that. That was probably the craziest joke of my life. I want Magic Sand Slime 2.0 so bad.
What is that?
Enemy spotted.
What is that? What is that? Oh my God, there's a floating pizza box. This counts as being found.
No!
Tag. You're found. Christy is officially the first one out. I need to find 2 more. How is Hannah this elusive, by the way? Can we talk about it?
Oh, look right here. I'm going into here. Shoot, I better hurry. I think Dan's coming. I really took my sweet time with this. I'm in my corner. No one will ever find me.
Enemy spotted.
Literally right when I said that, Dan found me.
What's going on over here?
You know, just hanging out, me and the slimes. You know how I do. What up?
Tag.
Oh.
4 minutes to find Andrew. Where did he go? I think he's still in Charmville. I swear I didn't see him leave. Is he gonna win? Is he actually gonna win? Am I gonna lose? Am I not gonna be able to find Andrew? I mean, you would think he'd be here, right? With the sand, but he's not. He's not with the sand. I'm genuinely at a loss. I don't know where this guy went. Do you think he went up? Do you think he snuck up there? I swear I just heard a sniffle. I swear I heard a sniffle. No, he's not here. He's not here. He's not here. I genuinely though, I don't know where he is. Wait, aerial view. I have 1 minute. We've only got 1 minute left. We have to find him. I don't know where he could have went. I think I'm gonna lose. I think I'm about to lose. Where did he go? Oh my gosh, that's time. Time's up. You knew the whole time, Matt? He's here? I don't even see a place to hide. Where? Hannah. Relax. Oh my God. How did he do that so fast? I was chasing him the whole time. No. It's okay. You won.
Yes!
I ran out of time.
I totally juked you. I ran this way, you ran that way, but then while you were starting to step over
Yeah,
stuff,
I tried to cut you off.
I sprinted the other way and ducked behind the packing station.
You gotta be kidding me.
Well, we'll see you tomorrow, Andrew.
See ya! Wait. Well, that's it for Peachybbies Hide and Seek. I was unable to find all 3 of them, which means Andrew is the winner. He gets his own slime in the Peachybbies shop, and the other 2 have to fix all the deactivated graveyard slimes that we have.
No!
Sorry, that was the punishment. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.